Welcome to my video. My name is SOni, and let me tell you that in this video we're pretty much gonna complete HTML. Not in this video, but in the coming videos. This phase will continue. Okay, in the coming as the videos continues, and I'm gonna quickly complete HTML session now. Okay, so you will be now comfortable with HTML, and after HTML would pretty much would be the ending of CSS. Once both of them gets ended, we're gonna make a very typical website. So I'm gonna create a new document over here by going to like this, or control plus shift plus n, and soon I'm gonna discuss interview question of HTML. There will be huge number of interview question, guys. So have focus, keep focus over here. If you pay attention over here, interview question would be quite fun for you. Whatever. So let's first of all press control plus shift plus s and save it with let it be HTML quick review. Okay, yeah, I save it. Once again, I'm using Dreamweaver and Notepad and not Notepad, because in Notepad structures are not aligned. See, structures are not aligned, but in Dreamweaver structures are automatically aligned, and because of this shit too, which Dreamweaver suggests us tags. Okay, and you can also use design tab from over here. You can directly write, like my this is okay, this is Dreamweaver design Dreamweaver graphical phase. My name is Prince Sony, and I save it, and I say add code and see. So this is it. You can directly write like this, but we'll never use graphical. We'll do our work from code. Okay, because graphical is made for expert guys. We should use these things once we have become quite familiar with code, because there will be time when there will be, as I already said to you, a lot of typical code would be there, and you need to solve those. To solve those, you need to really become expert in the code right now we are writing. That's why I'm really suggesting not to use graphical. Whatever. So we're gonna start with HTML tag. Once again, HTML tag is not case sensitive, so you can write it like this and it's okay. I'm gonna go for now head tag, and then title. Let it be HTML quick review. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Now head tag gets closed, and body tag. Okay, so body tag gets closed over here, and then HTML tag gets closed over here. So see, this is it. Once again, this and this need not to be same. I can also write it like this, and it will be okay, because HTML is not case sensitive. HTML is not case sensitive. So now over here, what should we write about? Okay, so we can write about let's say no about Nokia, like Nokia company. Nokia is the oldest cellular, oh come on, is the oldest mobile company, and it's really shocking to see that they have sold entire Nokia, that they had sold, I mean to say chief CEO of Nokia, I don't know who is it, has sell its entire mobile company to Microsoft. That's really a shocking news, isn't it? Now, in this sentence, Nokia, I first of all I save it, and I can press F12. So I simply press F12, and it so this is it. Okay. Now what I do over here is that I want company name to be appears somewhat attractive type. So I'm simply gonna specify strong over here. strong. Come on. strong. Strong. And this one. Closing it. I refresh it and see now. Nokia is kinda attractive. So this simply indicates that in the paragraph when we write like this, when we should use strong, I am telling you this shit. Like we are suppose this to be a lot more text. Okay. I simply copy paste it like this over here. I refresh it. Okay, it doesn't look good. Okay, let's write something. Okay. Mm, besides Microsoft, uh, Samsung and Apple are the major cellular operating cellular operating system companies. Samsung sells uh, their mobile phones equipped with Android operating system. Recently, a new version a new version has come, 4.4 I guess so. uh, it's called KitKat. So Samsung is the number one mobile, or we can say is the top selling mobile brand company. Then comes Apple, and then comes Microsoft. Okay, yeah. Microsoft major brand is Nokia Lumia. Major vendor, we say major vendor is Nokia Lumia. They use Microsoft operating system. Okay, that much is enough. uh, okay, it's 8 minutes. Oh my gosh. So now I will refresh it. See, when we come across the web page, suppose we have made a web page whose paragraph is somewhat this much long. Okay, so now over here, so obviously the entire customers wouldn't read the entire page. He found it disgusting. So what we do is that we simply make one word attractive. Customer whosoever arrive in our web page see that yeah, it is Nokia, so he can get the idea that this entire page is written about Nokia. So this is the purpose of using strong. Okay, so this is the purpose of using strong, and let's quickly discuss some of the more fonts. We use B for bold, and you probably know what is bold is, so I'm not gonna discuss it. I ref sorry, what is happening? Cancel. Okay, really we need to be quick now. See, bold. Now we use I for italic. I'm gonna do it over here. And don't write it on paper, all these commands, these are available in net. Simply try them right now, okay, with me. Italic, okay, and I paste it, save it, and see italic. I'm gonna pretty much do it like this right now. We use br slash this keyword, br and slash within tags. It's called break, and it simply makes the next word to come from the next line. It breaks the line. See, bold and italic becomes bold and italic. See, okay. I would also like to, I would also want bold to appear in the next line. Now see, bold is appearing in the next line. Okay, so I'm simply gonna copy it right now because I'm gonna use it a lot of time. We use NBSP for space. NB. See, what actually happens is that, hi, my name is Prince SOni. Uh, my friends call me by my nickname, which is, I don't know actually, whatever. So I say which is, I don't know. Ask to them. Sorry, ask to them. How would this occur like this? See, this entire space doesn't occur over here. So what does web browser checks is that it only reads one space till over here. I introduce like this. Now see, there's no space, only one space is counted. Afterward, if I do it like this, it simply won't take it. If you want more space to be there, then you can use NBSP for one space. Okay, introduce it within tags for sure. And okay, wait a bit. Yeah, it surely is NBSP. Wait a bit. NBSP. I okay. So look, what is we use for one space, I'm gonna tell you in the next video. Right now you can use pre for many for if you want many spaces to occur like this. If you want it to occur it like this, which certainly you do, which was our main purpose, you can do it like this. See, now it's occurring. Now it's actually reading this space. Okay, probably yes, there is a keyword NBSP. I think it's like this, NBSP. Yeah, it's like this. Have a look. About NBSP, what it does is that like this, but I want two spaces to occur. Okay, for many spaces you can use pre, as I had told you, but for two spaces you can do it like this, and NBSP and semicolon. Okay, I refresh it and see. Okay, it's yeah, it's and, it's not dollar, it's and. So I'm gonna say over here and NBSP and semicolon. I'm gonna refresh it and see, now there is two space occurring. Okay, so look, in the downside of your website you might have seen copyright symbol, but you won't find copyright symbol in your keyboard. If you want to display copyright symbol, you can display it by this code, and COPY semicolon. I refresh this shit over here, and this is it. So thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna continue, and I'm gonna really be fast in the next video. Please comment, subscribe. Okay.